Hey YouTubers, it's been a couple days. So, been doing a little work on the tank, getting that JB water weld on all my welds. I don't have that many leaks, but I'm just doing all the welds. So, but this stuff just doesn't spread that well. It's just kind of, I don't know, it's frustrating for me to work with it. Can't describe it. And so, I'm going to let all this set up, then I'll go back and I'll finish getting the rest of the areas that were welded and the edges and everything, just so it's good. Now, I did that, welded a couple studs on the bottom of it with bolts, and then I did this. So, now I can mount it to the bike. I think one will be good enough. I don't think I need two. We'll see. I'm also going to use underneath here on the back, I'm going to use just a little bit of that 3M double sticky tape that you use for holding on emblems and moldings on cars. I'll just stick a little bit of that back here so it doesn't vibrate and move around. That stuff works really good. And just got to put the bung and the petcock in it, but I think it's in a good position. I like it. Yeah. Looks pretty straight when I come over here. So, yep. So as soon as all that JB water weld dries up and I get the other portions done on it, then I'll sand it, smooth, and then I'm gonna get the Bondo out and just start skim coating the whole thing. And yeah, then really after I get the petcock, well actually I'll get the petcock done on it before I do any Bondo work, and get the fuel line hooked up, get it running, and once I have all that done, then I think exhaust. I'm not sure if I'm going to do exhaust. I kind of want to, but then again I just kind of want to get this together. I can do exhaust at a later time. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much going to just get the bike apart, get it welded up right, and after I get the whole bike welded up and reassembled before paint, I'll build the custom exhaust for it. I really want to get it on the road and see what it does, see how everything works, re-engineer things if I have to, but yeah, that's where I'm at now. So it's almost ready to go. So yeah, stay tuned. There'll be more videos. Turn my welder off here. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. And working with another camera, so, and then just trying to find an editing program that's kind of user friendly. So, yeah. So this is it. Pretty happy with what I've done. All right. Have a good day, YouTubers.